Hi, this is Jessica with Living Well Realty, and I am back in Kings Court in Little Elm, Texas today, checking up on this new build that you see behind me. And I have heard that they have put in countertops, so that's very exciting. Let's go take a look. Okay, here we go. As you can see, they have also poured the driveway, so that's exciting. So the city walk, see the sidewalk. We've had a lot of rain, so they are going to hold off until that dries up, and then they'll continue pouring the sidewalk. Okay. We have countertops. I don't know if you can see them because they're covered in paper, which is good, but let me see if I can get closer. Very nice. So it's like a white countertop. You see it has little speckles in it. It's very pretty. It goes really, really, really nice with this white cabinets. And look, we have light fixtures in. So here's pendants. It's over your island. Very pretty. And then your big light fixture that goes over your dining table. Love it. Y'all's fans are in. Here's the living room. So it looks like they have installed all the light fixtures. See the recessed lighting on the ceiling? And your electrical switches and outlets have all been installed. Your low voltage is the cable and internet have been installed. Let's go into the master. Nice, you have a fan in master too. Very nice. I know last time I showed y'all the floors in the bathroom, but here's another look. They're a little dirty right now, but they will be all nice and clean when you move in. And we have a toilet. And they have installed the bathtub. So I'm glad we took video what was underneath there last time, just in case they decide to knock the tub out and extend that master shower. So the mirrors and the glass for the shower has been ordered. So they've been measured and ordered, and it takes about 5 or 6 weeks for that to get in. So all your outlets have been installed. Here's another shot of your kitchen with the light fixtures. You're gonna have lots of lighting. See all those recessed lighting in the ceiling? That's really nice. And the appliances, the builder informed me that the appliances have been ordered, so that's good. Let's go upstairs. So you have a fan. Oh wow, you have 2 fans up here. That's nice. And the living area, and then the bonus room. Another fan. Very nice. It is coming along. Okay, let's see. Oh, you even have a faucet in the secondary bathroom. We have a faucet. So even though we have lights installed, electricity has not been turned on, so it's still dark. I apologize, but hopefully you can see there's your toilet. And we have a shower head and the faucet in here as well. That's nice. There's one of your secondary bedrooms. So again, you got your light fixture in, and it looks like a smoke alarm has been installed. There's another bedroom, and again, same light fixture. So the Jack and Jill bathroom, you have 2 faucets in. Very nice. We have our outlets and light switch, and light fixtures that are going to go above the mirrors that they have measured and ordered. And here's your other secondary bathroom upstairs. It looks like we have the shower head, faucet, and toilet in. It's coming along. A light fixture, smoke alarm. Looks very nice. It is coming along great. I'm so excited for you. Okay guys, so that concludes the tour for this week. Stay tuned for more updates. I do know next week they're supposed to be installing the backsplash in the kitchen, so that's very exciting. I will be back out here next week to film that. If you are interested in Kings Court or any other neighborhood in or around the Frisco, Texas area, click the link below or feel free to call me on my cell. I would love to help you guys in any way that I can. And until then, y'all take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.